Okay, so I've talked you into working on the single arm push-up. Why do I love the single arm push-up? Not only do you get to see your left-right strength differences, but it is also very core intensive. So in order to do a successful single arm push-up, you have to be linked throughout your entire body, meaning you have to have total body tension. So you're gonna learn a lot about total body tension, a lot about your body by working on the one arm push-up. So I'm gonna show you some box push-ups, some banded push-ups, and an exercise for just getting used to being on one arm. Any questions, just let me know. Enjoy the process, enjoy the journey, and let's get you to your first single arm push-up. One of the first exercises we're gonna do for your single arm push-up is with an elevated surface. You can also use a rack elevated, but in this video I only have a box. And you can use a yoga block to find out where you are in your push-up. So what I'm gonna do is get into push-up position. Without the yoga block, I wanna make sure that my shoulders are directly over my wrists. And I want fingers nice and widespread. From here, I'm gonna get super tight in my core. So I'm thinking about bringing my hip up to my rib and really link your front body up. Squeeze your quad, squeeze your glutes. You can come up off on your heels or onto your toes. And what I'm gonna do is take one hand away and get tight in my arm line. So I wanna really tighten up in my fist, squeeze everything you've got. On an inhale breath, you're gonna pull yourself down towards the box and exhale and push the box away. So the yoga block is here to see how far can I get down. Can I bring my chest to the yoga block? So get tight, squeeze everything you've got. Inhale, pull your chest down, and exhale and push that box away. We'll try the opposite side so you can see both sides. So what I'm trying to achieve here is a pushing the box away before I go down. And the first thing that's gonna bend is my elbow. So I wanna think about driving my elbow to my hip. What I don't want to do is sink down into my shoulder blades and then pull down. So as in with all push-ups, I want to be in a protracted position in my shoulder blades. So I'm not pinching my shoulder blades together. The first thing that happens here is my elbow bends towards my hips. Give that a try. Let me know how it feels. Let me know what your elevation is. You want to find the elevation where you can successfully complete one push-up. One of the reasons I use the yoga block here is because I'm going to see if I can bring my chest down to this highest height, tap my chest onto the block, come back up. Then I'm going to drop the yoga block here. Then I'm going to drop the yoga block here. Then I know I'm ready to drop my elevation to the next level. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to start with the highest height. I'm going to create body tension, so hip to my ribs, squeeze glutes, squeeze quads, drive your feet into the floor, send your energy out your heels, push the box away, elbow bends towards your hip, then press up. So I made that one, so I'm going to drop the yoga block down, get tight, inhale, brace, exhale, press the box away. I made that one. Let's see if I can get to this height. It's getting harder. Big inhale, brace. And I use that power breathing to power myself up. So I want to inhale through my nose, bracing my abs, brace for a punch, and then exhale as you push that box away, getting as tight as possible. And that is my single arm push-up progression on the box with a yoga block.